Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just have two little demonstrations of how the hair is going to look when I do two different styles with a scarf. And so I did one with a bun, half up, half down, and one with a ponytail. And as I'm doing these, you'll probably find ways to alter it. Also, I didn't realize how booby my top was until I'm now editing. But I don't think it's too bad, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. It's quarantine weight that's making my clothes a little tighter. So you want to take out a little bit of hair at the front of your head. Again, optional. If you watched any of my videos, you know that's how I roll. And then I backcomb 2 or 3 sections at the top of your hair, depending on your hair type, the length and all, adjust it to how you like it to be. And then I pushed it up and turned around just to show you what I was doing. So I brought all the hair to the back, gave it a little pump up and put in a few pins. So I pre-curled my hair for this one. So just a lot of things I do in my videos is I do a little bit beforehand so you don't have to re-watch me do it all the time. But I just use a fabulous curler that I will link below as well. Not an affiliate link or anything, just one that I absolutely love. And yeah, and my straightener, I'll link the two of them because I really like them. So then you want to do half up, half down ponytail, and then I take out the pins just because once the ponytail is in and you have it sprayed and all, it just works out perfectly and fits in. So then I take up a little bit of the bobby or the hair bobble I put in, and I link the scarf through it just to act as and it just kind of acts to hold the scarf as you're going through. So then what I did was I just wrapped it around all the hair, wrapped it all around the hair like a rope. And this bit was just really simple, but the effect at the end was insane, and I thought it looked so cool that if you had loads of different scarves, you could wear this hairstyle with different outfits. So once it's wrapped around, then all you want to do is just pull it all around the hair, but you want to try keep out a little bit of the hair and hide as much as the scarf, or you could have folded the scarf in half, which I thought about that after, but the effect was still really nice afterwards. And then all you want to do is secure it in place with a few bobby pins. And then this was super simple, so easy to do. And actually, I think I put in a few off camera if I'm honest. And then my flamingo pink earrings again, which I absolutely love. And then just fix the front of your hair, and then you're ready to go. And it's just such a soft, simple hairstyle, and will be perfect for any event, any daytime. It's cute for a little child as well as a grown-up. So yeah, let's move on to number 2. So number 2, took out my hair and gave it a good brush through. And then what you want to do is tie your hair up in a high ponytail. So like I said, I pre-curled my hair before I filmed. So my hair was a little bit curly, a little bit frizzy, but I was just rocking with what I had for now. And then I put the scarf in. So I folded the scarf in half this time, after realizing the first time that's quite a thick scarf, quite a long scarf. So then once I folded it in half, I broke the 2 parts of half, which was a little bit more difficult. So you kind of just need to wing this next bit. And depending on the kind of scarf you had, I'm not even sure where I got this one from. So then I just wrapped it around the base of the ponytail, back up around into a little bow. And yeah, I just left it kind of messy. I did try to fix it to make it look a little bit more like a bow, but then I was like, you know what, it's cute. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I actually really like the way it turned out. With a high ponytail, I only wish I had a few hair extensions in, but just make it a little bit prettier. But yeah, just a bit of volume in your ponytail, a bit of backcombing. You could do a little bun with it as well. Just adjust it to how you want it. But the effect, I think, was so nice, and I was so happy with how it turned out. And yeah, so that's kind of coming to the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my social medias. They're all linked below, and some of my previous videos I will link below because I've been doing a daily video all this month. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.